Hi, everybody. This is just a reminder that we are coming up on the 5-year anniversary of Fossil Hunting and Collecting with Chris. And to celebrate, I want to show off some of your finds. I'm going to ask you to go ahead and send in your best finds over the past couple of years. Some people already have, and it's going to be going into the 5-year anniversary video. I'm asking you to do the same, and with a little description of what you found and anything else you want to tell us about it, and it will go into the video. Thank you so much, and I look forward to sharing our upcoming 5-year anniversary show in August. Happy fossil hunting and collecting.
Fossil hunting and collecting with Chris. Digging fossils, finding fossils. Paleontology, trying to find science and evolution.